Hello IG Garage family. Have you ever had your engine struggle and now you're seeing the P0253 error code? It's all about your fuel injection system, and ignoring it could lead to some serious engine trouble. Stay tuned, because in this video, I'll explain what P0253 means, show you exactly where the sensor is located, and give you the steps to fix it. Let's dive right in. P0253 stands for Injection Pump Fuel Metering Control Arrange Performance, cam/rotor/injector. This means your car's ECM is detecting a problem with the fuel metering control system. Essentially, it's struggling to regulate the amount of fuel being injected into your engine, leading to poor performance or even stalling. Now here's the part you've been waiting for, the sensor location. For P0253, the issue is typically with the fuel metering solenoid, located on the fuel injection pump. You'll find the fuel metering solenoid directly attached to the injection pump. It's connected to the wiring harness and plays a key role in controlling the fuel flow. Make sure to carefully inspect this area. How can you tell this code is affecting your car? Here are the common symptoms: difficulty starting the engine, erratic idling or stalling, reduced power and poor fuel efficiency, and the check engine light illuminated with the P0253 code. And here's what might be causing it: a faulty fuel metering solenoid, clogged or restricted fuel lines, wiring issues in the fuel metering circuit, or contaminated or low-quality fuel. Here's how to tackle this issue. Start by inspecting the fuel metering solenoid for damage or leaks. Replace it if necessary. Check the wiring harness and connectors for any signs of wear, corrosion, or disconnection. Repair or replace as needed. Ensure the fuel lines are clear and free of debris. If you suspect bad fuel, drain the tank and refill with clean, high-quality diesel. After performing these steps, clear the error code using a diagnostic scanner and take your car for a test drive to confirm the fix. And that's how you fix P0253. If this video helped you troubleshoot and solve your fuel system issue, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. Want to learn more? Check out our video on P0170 to fix fuel trim problems, and P0003 for fuel control circuit troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.